Today, I'm unboxing my Hugimal. It's a 5-pound weighted stuffed animal. I chose the adorable Sam the Sloth, and they have lots of other equally cute options. This card talked about all of Sam's therapeutic benefits. They include helping with focus and concentration, providing a sense of safety and security, and its provision of deep touch pressure, which research has shown can encourage relaxation. Now getting Sam out of his box, I noticed how high quality he is. All of his facial details have high quality sewing and embroidery. His fur is soft and pleasant to touch, and his weight is well distributed throughout the body. This tag on his arm talks a little bit more about how to use him and how to care for him, including this awesome feature that he is machine washable. You just open the Velcro hidden in the side seam, remove the weighted insert, and wash the outer portion on gentle and hang to dry. Sam is so cute, he looks great, and I'm so excited to use my Hugimal.